हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सबका स्वागत है रिवाइक्यू सीरीज में। आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन ऑफ केमिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम ब्लैक बुक बाय निखिल गुप्ता सर। आप लोग चाहें तो परचेज कर सकते हैं ब्लैक बुक। इट इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कंपाइलेशन ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट टॉपिक से। पहला क्वेश्चन है, हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ इंडियन केमिस्ट्री? Who is known as the father of Indian chemistry? The answer is V.C. Roy, Prafulya Chandra Ray. Next question is, who is widely considered as the father of modern chemistry? The answer is Anthony Lavoisier. Next question is, who started the chemical revolution in the 18th century by naming oxygen and helping to organize chemical nomenclature? Who started the chemical revolution in the 18th century by naming oxygen and helping to organize chemical nomenclature? The answer is Anton Laurent Lavoisier. Next question is, who first introduced the idea of a relationship between molecular geometry and the number of valence electron in 1940s? Who first introduced the idea of a relationship between molecular geometry and the number of valence electron in the 1940s? Sidgwick Powell. Sidgwick and Powell. Next question is, which chemical law proposes that soft drink and soda bottles are sealed under high pressure to increase the solubility of CO2? Which chemical law proposes that soft drink and soda waters are sealed under high pressure to increase the solubility of CO2? The answer is Henry's law. Next question is, by whom was the equation C is equal to Kp formulated in 1803? By whom was the equation C is equal to Kp formulated in 1803? The answer is William Henry. So Henry's law is that amount of a gas that can dissolve into a liquid, the solubility is proportional to the partial pressure of the gas. Next question is, Dash states that for a solution of volatile liquid, the partial vapor pressure of each component of the solution is directly proportional to its mole fraction present in solution. Dash states that for a solution of volatile liquids, the partial vapor pressure of each component of the solution is directly proportional to its mole fraction present in the solution. The answer is Raoult's law. Next question is, which law was studied in the year 1787, in which it was said that the volume of a gas increases with its absolute temperature, and if its absolute temperature decreases, then its volume will decrease? The answer is Charles' law. Next question is, rate of reaction does not depend on options are concentration, temperature, pressure, catalyst. The answer will be pressure. Next question is, triple point can be defined as? Answer is the condition of temperature and pressure under which the gaseous, liquid and solid phase of a substance can exist in equilibrium. The condition of temperature and pressure under which the gaseous, liquid and solid phase of a substance can exist in equilibrium is known as triple point. Next question is, in 1893, which Swiss chemist was the first to understand the molecular structure of inorganic substances, chemical compounds that do not contain carbon? In 1893, which Swiss chemist was the first to understand the molecular structure of inorganic substances, chemical compounds that do not contain carbon? The answer is Alfred Werner. Next question is, who developed atom bomb? The answer is J. Robert Oppenheimer. Next question is, in 1932, who discovered the positron, a particle described as carrying a positive charge but having a mass of the same order of magnitude as that normally possessed by a free negative electron? In 1932, who discovered the positron, a particle described as carrying a positive charge but having a mass of the same order of magnitude as that normally possessed by a free negative electron? The answer is Carl Anderson. Next question is, in 1784, who discovered the composition of water through his experiment with hydrogen and oxygen? In 1784, who discovered the composition of water through his experiment with hydrogen and oxygen? The answer is Henry Cavendish. Next question is, who discovered the atom bomb? The answer is ओटो हन। इससे पहले हम लोग देखे थे हु डेवलप्ड द एटम बम, वो था ओपेनहाइमर। यहाँ पे हु डिस्कवर्ड, ओटो हन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, element 106 was discovered by, element 106 was discovered by, the answer is Seaborg. The elements Seaborgium 106 atomic number is a synthetic radioactive element that does not occur naturally. Next question is, the IUPAC name of an element is unilenium. Unilenium. What is the symbol of the element? The answer is Uni. Unilenium is the element with atomic number 109. The IUPAC nomenclature for the elements with atomic number greater than 100 uses prefixes derived from the digit of the atomic number. Okay. Next question is, in 1898, who discovered neon by cooling a sample of air to a liquid state, heating the liquid and capturing gases upon boiling? In 1898, who discovered neon by cooling a sample of air to a liquid state, heating the liquid and capturing gases upon boiling? The answer is William Ramsay. Next question is, what numerical scale was introduced in 1932 that determined the electronegativity of fluorescence to be 4.0? The answer is Pauling scale. Next question is, who discovered three chemical elements, cerium, thorium and selenium, and derived the modern method by which one or more two letters are used to symbolize elements? The answer is Jacob Berzelius. Next question is, who received the Nobel Prize for his research in the stereochemistry of organic molecules and reaction in 1975? Who received the Nobel Prize for his research in the stereochemistry of organic molecules and reaction in 1975? The answer is Vladimir Prelog. Next question is, who received the Nobel Prize in 1901 for recognition of the extraordinary services rendered by the discovery of the law of chemical dynamics and osmotic pressure in solution? Who received the Nobel Prize in 1901 for the recognition of the extraordinary service rendered by the discovery of the law of chemical dynamics and osmotic pressure in solution? The answer is Jacobus Henricus van t Hoff. Next question is, what is the process of melting also called? What is the process of melting also called? The answer is fusion. Next question is, an ice cube is floating in a glass of water. What happens to the water level when the ice melts? The answer is remains same. Next question is, a change in which no new substance are formed is called, formed is called physical change. Next question is, crystallization is an example of, the answer is physical change. Next question is, dash is not a chemical change. Option A, burning paper. Option B, burning of coal. Option C, conversion of water into steam. Option D, digestion of food. The answer will be converting water into steam. Next question is, a change in which one or more new substances are formed is called chemical change. Next question is, the lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is called its, the lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is called its ignition temperature. Next question is, which of the following is not a chemical compound? Option A, air. Option 2, water. Option 3, baking soda. Option 4, common salt. The answer is air. Next question is, next here we will start second topic, that is matter. First question of matter is, which is not a characteristic of a solid? Options are high compressibility, option 2 high density, option 3 regular shape, option D high rigidity. The answer will be high compressibility, because we cannot compress too much to liquid. Negligible amount of compressibility is done with solid. Next question is, what is a method of converting a solution into a solid in which a supersaturated solution concentrates the solute by a chemical equilibrium controlled process? What is a method of converting a solution into a solid in which a supersaturated solution concentrates the solute by a chemical equilibrium controlled process? The answer is crystallization. Next question is, upon application of heat energy, the atom of an ice cube start vibrating. At one point, the atom have so much energy that they breaks away from their fixed position and lose the fixed structure. We can see this as the formation of water. What is this particular point called? The answer is melting point. Next question is, the state in which molecular attractions are very strong is solid. Next question is, the melting point of a solid is defined as the minimum temperature at which the solid melts to come liquid at the atmospheric pressure. Next question is, molecule in solids cannot move. Next question is, which of the following is not an example of inflammable substance? Options are option A glass, option 2 alcohol, option C LPG, option D petrol. The answer will be glass. Next question is, the temperature at which a solid melts to become a liquid at the atmospheric pressure is called its answer is melting point. Next question is, which of the following statement best describes the characteristics of crystalline solid? Option A, easily experiences geometric deformation. Option B, there is no precise melting point. Option C, has an uneven three-dimensional layout. Option D, change abruptly from solid to liquid when heated. The answer is changes abruptly from solid to liquid when heated. Next question is, which of the following is a characteristic of amorphous solid? Which of the following is the characteristic of amorphous solid? The answer is a definite characteristic geometrical shape. Option B, gradual softening over a range of temperature. Option C, a definite and characteristic enthalpy of fusion. Option D, melting at a sharp and characteristic temperature. The answer is gradual softening over a range of temperature. Next question is, where can you find solid form of water? Where can you find solid form of water? The answer is polar region. Next question is, solid can be classified as on the basis of the nature of odor present in the arrangement of their constituent particles. The answer is crystalline or amorphous. Next question is, condensation is the process of transfer of vapor into liquid. Next question is, which among the following is not an example of matter? Option A, clouds. Option B, gravity. Option C, raindrop. Option D, fire. The answer will be gravity. Next question is, dash is the measure of relativity clarity of a liquid. Dash is the measure of relative clarity of a liquid. The answer is turbidity. Turbidity is an optional property of water that measures how much light is scattered by particles in the water. The higher the intensity of scattered light, the higher the turbidity. Next question is, which gas is filled into incandescent bulb to prolong the life of the filament? Which gas is filled into incandescent bulb to prolong the life of the filament? The answer is nitrogen. Next question is, which law works in constant pressure? The answer is Charles' law. Next question is, which parameter is kept constant in Boyle's law? The answer is temperature. Next question is, dash are highly compressible. The answer is gas. Next question is, In which year did an English scientist named Michael Faraday discover benzene in the illuminating gas? The answer is 1825. Next question is, in which year was the first reliable measurement on the properties of gases made by Anglo-Irish scientist Robert Boyle? In which year was the first reliable measurement on the properties of gases made by Anglo-Irish scientist Robert Boyle? The answer is 1662. Next question is, what will be the average kinetic energy per molecule in SI unit for an ideal gas at a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius? The answer is 6.17 into 10 to the power minus 21 joule. Next question is, which gas is released on burning of natural gas? Which gas is released on burning of natural gas? The answer is carbon dioxide. Natural gas is a mixture of gases which are rich in hydrocarbon. Next question is, which gas is used by chemical leaveners such as baking powder and baking soda to lighten and aerate baked goods? The answer is carbon dioxide. Next question is, carbonated beverage contain? The answer is CO2, carbon dioxide. Next question is, which of the following is the correct Lewis structure? Lewis structure इसमें से कौन सा सही है? The answer is option D. Next question is, select the correct plot of ideal gas in the given figure. इसमें से हम लोग को आइडियल गैस का करेक्ट लाइन, करेक्ट प्लॉट हम लोग को चुनना है। तो हम लोग जानते हैं कि आइडियल गैस इक्वल टू होता है पीवी इक्वल टू एनआरटी, यानी कि पीवी बाय एनआरटी इक्वल टू 1 होता है। रेशियो पीवी इज टू 1 आरटी इक्वल टू 1 होता है। तो 1 मेंटेन रखने के लिए यहाँ पे हम लोग का प्रेशर और पीवी का लाइन पैरेलल होना चाहिए, यानी कि स्ट्रेट लाइन होना चाहिए। ठीक है, तो ऑप्शन डी विल बी राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज द स्टेट मैटर दैट एग्जिबिट बिहेवियर यूनिफॉर्मिटी? What is the state matter that exhibits behavior uniformity? The answer is gas. Next question is, in which state of matter is the kinetic energy of molecule greater than the force of attraction between them, such that they are so far apart and move independently of each other? The answer is gas. Next question is, the pressure volume curve for a fixed temperature is called? The pressure volume curve for a fixed temperature is called? The answer is isotherm, because here the temperature is constant, so this is not an isotherm. Next question is, who in the 1860s undertook a thorough investigation of the gas laws expressing the relationship of pressure, temperature, volume in carbon dioxide? The answer is Thomas Andrews. Andrews conducted a series of experiments on carbon dioxide gas and discovered the critical temperature and pressure of the gas. Critical temperature and pressure. Next question, aerated water contains CO2 gas. Aerated water contains CO2. Aerated water is a mixture of water, the solvent, water solvent है, and carbon dioxide is the solute. Next question is, consider the following statement and select the correct option of statement A. All the objects must change from solid into liquid before changing into gases. ये फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग है, कोई जरूरी नहीं है सभी सॉलिड को लिक्विड में चेंज होना। सेकंड स्टेटमेंट है, इवेपोरेशन इज द प्रोसेस बाय विच सॉलिड कैन चेंज इनटू गैसेस। बोथ रॉन्ग है, क्योंकि इवेपोरेशन इज द प्रोसेस बाय विच सॉलिड नॉट लिक्विड चेंज इनटू गैसेस होता है। इवेपोरेशन में लिक्विड चेंजेस इनटू गैसेस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, the mixture of flammable gases carbon monoxide and hydrogen and non-flammable gases, that is nitrogen and carbon dioxide, is called by what name? The answer is producer gas. Next question is, which gas will effuse out of football bladder most quickly? The answer is hydrogen, because it is the lightest gas and has the fastest effusion rate. So hydrogen will reach faster. Next question is, plasma is often called the dash state of matter. Plasma is often called the fourth state of matter. Next question is, This state of matter is made up of ionized gas, which consists of a balanced mix of electrons, positive ions, and neutral particles. What is it? This state of matter is made of ionized gas, which consists of a balanced mix of electrons, positive ion, and neutral particles. The answer is plasma. Next question is, dash is considered to be the fifth state of matter. The answer is Bose-Einstein condensate. Next question is, what is the state of a material made after cooling a very low density to a very low temperature? What is the state of a material made after cooling a very low density gas to a very low temperature? The answer is Bose-Einstein condensation. Next question is, which of the following options are homogeneous mixture? Option A, solution, colloid, suspension, milk, toothpaste, salt, water. Here this first option is wrong. Second option, solutes is solution, salt, water, brass. Option 2 is right. Answer is the solution, salt, water, brass. Option 2 is right. Next question is, the first Bose-Einstein condensate BEC made of which atom was reported by the team of Eric Kernel and Carl Wyman in 1995. First Bose-Einstein condensate element was rubidium, 87 atomic number. Rubidium was the first element. Next question is, next question 43. Dash are the homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Dash are the homogeneous mixture of two or more components. The answer is solution. Next question is, dash is a heterogeneous mixture. The answer is lime water. Next question is, which of the given statement is correct regarding properties of suspension? Statement 1, suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. Statement 2, the particles of a suspension can be seen by the naked eye. The answer is both 1 and 2. Next question is, iron filling can be separated from a heterogeneous mixture using the technique of. Iron filling can be separated from a heterogeneous mixture using the technique of. The answer is magnetization. Next question is, which of the following statement is not correct regarding mixture? Statement 1, colloids are heterogeneous mixture in which the particle size is large. Statement 2, the minor component of a solution is called solute. Second option is right. Third option, a solution in a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. True. Fourth statement, the major components of a solution is called the solvent. True. So statement 1 will be wrong. Colloids are heterogeneous mixture in which the particle is large. Particle is small, छोटा ही होता है. So option 1, statement 1 is wrong. Next question is, dash is an example of mixture. Option A, milk. Option B, gasoline. Option C, liquefied petroleum gas. The answer will be all. All are mixture. Next question is, select the one which is not a mixture. Option A, air. Option B, LPG. Option C, gasoline. Option D, distilled water. The answer will be distilled water. Next question is, dash is not a mixture. Ice, ice cream, air, honey. Here ice will be not a mixture. Next question is, the process of transformation of a substance in a gaseous state into a liquid state due to change in pressure or temperature of the substance is called. The process of transformation of a substance in a gaseous state into a liquid state due to the change in pressure or temperature of the substance is called condensation. Next question is, which of the following is an example of sublimation? Option A, dry ice. Option B, camphor. Option C, ice. Answer is 1 and 2, dry ice and camphor. Next question is, the phenomena of change of liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. Next question is, a change of state directly from solid to gas without changing into liquid state is called sublimation. Next question is, which process of phase transition is the reverse of deposition? Which process of phase transition is the reverse of deposition? The answer is sublimation. The reverse of deposition is the sublimation, and hence sometimes deposition is called the desublimation. Next question is, dash is a white to yellowish solid with a weak aromatic odor purified by the process of sublimation. The answer is anthracene. Anthracene is a solid polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon of formula C14H10. C14H10. Next question is, when camphor is heated, what changes will take place? The answer is solid to gas. Next question is, a mixture of water and alcohol can be separated by? The answer is distillation. Next question is, dash is used for the separation of components of a mixture containing two miscible liquids that boil without decomposition and have sufficient difference in their boiling point. Dash is used for the separation of components of a mixture containing two miscible liquids that boils without decomposition and have a sufficient difference in their boiling points. The answer is distillation. Next question is, seawater can be purified by the process of, answer distillation. Next question is, when two liquids in a mixture differ by their boiling point, which is the best method to separate this liquid? The answer will be distillation. Next question is, the joint process of vaporization and condensation is called? The joint process of vaporization and condensation is called distillation. Next question is, iodine can be separated from a mixture of iodine and potassium chloride by? Iodine can be separated from a mixture of iodine and potassium chloride by sublimation. Next question is, impure camphor is purified by? Impure camphor is purified by sublimation. Next question is, in which process is a solid substance volatilized by heating and the vapor is condensed back to the solid at a cold surface? In which process is a solid substance volatilized by heating and the vapor is condensed back to the solid at a cold surface? The answer is sublimation. Next question is, dry ice, ammonium chloride, naphthalene balls, camphor, all these compounds are an example of chromatography. All are chromatography. Next question is, which of the following technique can be used to separate the impurities in milk? Option A, microscopy. Option B, column chromatography. Option C, microtomy. Option D, autoclave. The answer will be option 3, chromatography. Next question is, which of the following is not a technique or a step to convert normal water to potable water? The answer is ब्रोमिनेशन. ब्रोमिनेशन द्वारा हम लोग वाटर को प्यूरिफाई नहीं कर सकते. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ आइस इज डैश केल्विन? द आंसर इज -273.16 केल्विन. The melting point of ice is dash Kelvin. The answer is 273.16 Kelvin. 273.16 Kelvin. Next question is, in science the fluid is the common name for both gases and liquid. Next question is, dash is pure matter? The answer is carbon dioxide because it is a compound. Next question is, the substance which have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire with a flame are called dash substance? Inflammable substance. Next question is, researchers at the University of Illinois have discovered new form of matter called excitonium, which was coined by dash in 1960. Excitonium was discovered by Bertrand Halperin. Actinium is a condensate. It exhibits microscopic quantum phenomena like superconductor or superfluid or insulating electronic crystal. Discovered this new state of matter in 2017. Next question is, activated charcoal is used to remove coloring matter from pure substance by? Activated charcoal is used to remove coloring matter from pure substance by? The answer is adsorption. Activated charcoal is a fine, odorless black powder that is a strong absorbent. Next question is, activated charcoal is a fine, odorless black powder that is a strong absorbent. Coagulation. Coagulation is a chemical process that purifies muddy water by causing colloidal particles to clump together and settle. Next question is, with the increase in temperature, the density of a substance in general, with the increase in temperature, the density of a substance in general decreases. Next question is, the loss of water by crystallization to the atmosphere by compound is termed as, the loss of water by crystallization to the atmosphere by compound is termed as efflorescence. Next question, what will happen if a glass bottle is completely filled with water sealed with a lid? The answer is, eventually the ice will burst the glass bottle. Next question is, intermolecular space is the least in solid यानी कि ice. Next question is, two bodies are in the thermal equilibrium if they have the same dash. Two bodies are in thermal equilibrium if they have same temperature. Next question is, dash codified the first two laws of thermodynamics and deduced that the absolute zero of temperature is minus 273.15 degree Celsius. He was honored for this with the naming of the Kelvin temperature scale. Dash codified the first two laws of thermodynamics and deduced that the absolute zero of temperature is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. He was honored for this with the naming of the Kelvin temperature scale. The answer is William Thomson. First law of thermodynamics क्या है? Energy cannot be created or destroyed. Next, second law of thermodynamics है, for a spontaneous process, the entropy of the universe increases. Next question है, dash is the process of allowing particle in separation in water to settle out of the suspension under the effect of gravity. Dash is the process of allowing particle in suspension in water to settle out of the suspension under the effect of gravity. The answer is sedimentation. Next question is, identify the method that is not used to purify organic compound. Option A sublimation, option B sedimentation, option C crystallization, option D distillation. The answer is sedimentation. Next question is, when the heavier component in a mixture settles after water is added to it, the process is called. The answer is sedimentation. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आज के मैटर का इतना ही क्वेश्चन था. नेक्स्ट हम लोग फिर दूसरे क्लास में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक करेंगे. थैंक यू.